Imagine if a simple, affordable, and delicious food could drastically improve your health, especially if you're managing diabetes. Peanuts, yes, those humble legumes often underestimated in the world of nutrition, are proving to be a powerhouse of benefits, particularly for individuals struggling with this chronic condition. Diabetes affects millions of people worldwide, often leading to severe complications like heart disease, kidney damage, and nerve issues if left unmanaged. But did you know that peanuts, when consumed wisely, could play a key role in managing and even preventing this disease? In today's video, we'll explore the science-backed benefits of peanuts, explain how they help regulate blood sugar, and provide practical tips for incorporating them into your diet. Stay tuned to discover why peanuts should be your go-to snack for better health. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your loved ones. Have you already included peanuts in your diet? Let us know in the comments below and tell us where you're watching from. Understanding diabetes, a global epidemic. Diabetes is more than just a disease, it's a global health crisis. There are two main types of diabetes. Type 1 diabetes. This is an autoimmune condition where the body mistakenly attacks insulin-producing cells in the pancreas. Without insulin, the body cannot effectively regulate blood sugar. Type 2 diabetes. This more common form of diabetes results from insulin resistance. The body's cells fail to respond effectively to insulin, causing elevated blood sugar levels over time. Type 2 diabetes is strongly linked to lifestyle factors like diet, physical inactivity, and obesity. Regardless of the type, uncontrolled diabetes can lead to severe complications, including cardiovascular disease. Diabetes doubles the risk of heart attacks and strokes, nerve damage, neuropathy. High blood sugar damages nerves, leading to pain, tingling, or numbness. Kidney disease. Over time, diabetes can impair kidney function, leading to kidney failure. Eye problems, retinopathy. Diabetes can damage the blood vessels in the retina, increasing the risk of blindness. Managing diabetes involves a holistic approach, including proper medication, physical activity, and a nutrient-rich diet. This is where peanuts come into the picture. Why peanuts are a diabetes superfood. Peanuts are not just a snack. They're a nutritional powerhouse packed with nutrients that directly benefit those managing diabetes. Let's dive into their specific benefits. 1. Rich in heart-healthy fats. Peanuts are loaded with monounsaturated fats, the good fats that improve insulin sensitivity. These fats help the body use insulin more effectively, lowering blood sugar levels. They also reduce inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a major factor in diabetes and its complications. Studies have shown that people who consume peanuts regularly have better cardiovascular health, a critical consideration for individuals with diabetes, as they are at higher risk of heart disease. 2. High magnesium content. Magnesium is a vital mineral for glucose metabolism, and peanuts are an excellent source. Here's how magnesium helps. It improves insulin function. Magnesium helps cells respond better to insulin, lowering blood sugar. It also reduces the risk of type 2 diabetes. Studies show that higher magnesium intake is associated with a reduced risk of developing diabetes. Unfortunately, many people with diabetes have a magnesium deficiency, which worsens the condition. Adding peanuts to your diet is a natural way to address this deficiency. 3. Protein-packed power. Peanuts are an excellent source of protein, with 7 grams per serving, more than any other nut. Protein offers several benefits for diabetes management. It stabilizes blood sugar. Protein slows the digestion of carbohydrates, preventing spikes in blood sugar. It also promotes satiety. Feeling full for longer reduces overeating, which is crucial for weight control. Weight management is essential for managing type 2 diabetes, as excess weight is one of the primary contributors to insulin resistance. 4. Loaded with fiber. Fiber is a game changer for individuals with diabetes, and peanuts provide both soluble and insoluble fiber. Here's why that matters. Fiber slows glucose absorption. It helps release glucose gradually into the bloodstream, avoiding dangerous sugar spikes. It also improves gut health. A healthy gut microbiome is closely linked to better insulin sensitivity. Lastly, it enhances satiety. Like protein, fiber helps curb hunger, making it easier to maintain a healthy diet. A single serving of peanuts can supply up to 20% of your daily fiber needs, making them an excellent addition to any meal or snack. Additional nutritional benefits of peanuts. Beyond heart-healthy fats, protein, and fiber, peanuts are rich in vitamins and minerals that offer added health benefits for individuals with diabetes. First, there's vitamin E. Known for its antioxidant properties, vitamin E protects cells from oxidative stress, a key factor in diabetes-related complications. It also helps in lowering blood glucose levels. Studies have shown that vitamin E can help regulate blood sugar. Additionally, it reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Antioxidants like vitamin E protect against diseases such as cancer and cardiovascular issues. Next, we have folate. Folate is essential for cell division and overall health. It plays a role in preventing certain complications in diabetic individuals, particularly during periods of rapid growth or recovery. And then, copper and phosphorus. Copper supports red blood cell production and immune function. Phosphorus is essential for bone health, muscle function, and energy production. Why peanuts are perfect for weight management. Managing weight is critical for individuals with type 2 diabetes, and peanuts can help. They curb hunger. Their protein and fiber content keeps you feeling full longer. Peanuts also prevent overeating. By stabilizing blood sugar, peanuts reduce cravings for unhealthy, high-calorie snacks, and they boost metabolism. Magnesium and healthy fats support metabolic function, making weight management more achievable. Practical tips for adding peanuts to your diet. Peanuts are incredibly versatile, making it easy to include them in your daily meals. For snacks, enjoy a handful of raw or dry roasted peanuts as a midday pick-me-up. For breakfast, sprinkle chopped peanuts on oatmeal or yogurt. Add a crunchy texture to salads with a handful of peanuts. Blend peanut butter into your favorite smoothie recipe. And in cooking, use peanut butter as a base for sauces or marinades. But remember, moderation is key. While peanuts are nutritious, overconsumption can lead to excess calorie intake. Keep these tips in mind. Choose unsalted varieties. Too much sodium can increase blood pressure, a common issue for people with diabetes. Avoid processed peanuts. Flavored or sugar-coated peanuts can negate their health benefits. And always consult your doctor. Seek medical advice before making significant dietary changes. Peanuts are more than just a tasty snack. They're a nutritional powerhouse that offers numerous benefits for managing and preventing diabetes. From stabilizing blood sugar to promoting heart health and aiding in weight management, peanuts are a simple and effective addition to a diabetic-friendly diet. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support inspires us to create more content to help you live a healthier life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care, and may God bless you always.